next ride could be safer, smarter, and more connected than ever before. From airbag vests that think for you to cameras that capture every twist and turn, these motorcycle gadgets could completely change your riding experience. Stick around to discover the top 15 must-have tech upgrades that could make your ride safer and cooler. Number 15. KLIM A1 Airbag Vest. What if your vest could think for you in a crash? The KLIM A1 Airbag Vest isn't just smart, it's lightning fast. This lightweight, high-tech vest uses AI to detect a crash and inflates in just 60 milliseconds. No wires, no straps, just pure freedom. It protects your chest, back, neck, and stomach, all without needing to be attached to the bike. The magic lies in the in-and-box module, which scans your movements 1,000 times a second. It fits under most jackets, and the battery lasts up to 25 hours. You can update it and check ride data using your phone. It's subscription-based and super easy to maintain. With a top 5-star safety rating, it's a lifesaver, literally. Number 14. A BUS Granit Detecto XPlus 8008. Think a small lock can't scare off big trouble? Think again. The ABUS Granit Detecto XPlus 8008 isn't just tough, it's smart and loud. Built with a 16mm bolt made of specially hardened steel, it laughs in the face of bolt cutters. The moment someone touches your bike, a 100 decibel alarm goes off thanks to its 3D motion detection system. It screams for 15 seconds, then resets itself, ready for the next move. Number 13. Blucap Moto AR Sunglasses. What if your GPS lived inside your sunglasses? Blucap Moto takes high-tech navigation and fits it into a clean, classic pair of shades. With a tiny green micro-LED display built right into the right lens, it shows turn-by-turn directions and real-time maps directly in your view, so your eyes stay on the road, not on your phone or dashboard. There are no buttons or bulky controls. Just unfold them, and they're on. They connect via Bluetooth, work with your handlebar remote, and run up to 10 hours on a charge. The lenses are customizable with your prescription, and you can swap in polarized ones too. Sleek, smart, and seriously useful, these AR glasses are like a heads-up display for your face. Number 12. SignalWear. Smart motorcycle gloves. Turning heads just got safer. SignalWear gloves light up your ride with bright chevron LEDs on the back, making sure drivers see your every move. You can activate the lights with a thumb press, use standard hand signals, or let the signal box sync them automatically with your bike's indicators. Whether it's night or heavy traffic, your turns won't go unnoticed. These gloves don't just shine, they think. Built-in Bluetooth lets them pair with a GPS app, sending silent vibration alerts for navigation. No more glancing at your phone or missing a turn. They're comfortable, durable, and built for riders who want safety, tech, and convenience wrapped into every ride. Number 11. Insta361 X2 Camera. Every twist, turn, and wheelie, now captured from all angles. The Insta361 X2 is a compact action camera that records in sharp 5.7K 360-degree video. Whether you're riding through rain, mud, or fog, its waterproof design and rugged body can handle it all. The round touchscreen gives you a live preview and easy control, while voice commands keep your hands free and focused on the ride. It's packed with smart features like flow state stabilization, which keeps your footage smooth even on bumpy roads. No gimbal needed. The battery runs for up to 80 minutes, and AI editing tools let you create clean cinematic clips fast. You can even make the selfie stick disappear for a floating camera look. This little beast is perfect for riders who want professional content without the hassle. Number 10. OGIO No Drag Mach 3 Backpack. Need a backpack that keeps up with your ride? The OGIO No Drag Mach 3 combines sleek aerodynamic design with ultimate practicality for riders. Its molded, nearly waterproof exterior resists wind and keeps its shape, even at high speeds. The bolstered back foam offers ventilation, and the soft shoulder straps won't scratch your helmet or cause discomfort on long rides. Inside, it's all about keeping your gear organized. With a fleece-lined pocket for electronics, a dedicated shoe compartment, and a high-visibility red lining, everything stays safe and accessible. Reflective piping boosts visibility at night, while ergonomic, adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit.
With a 22.1-liter capacity and hydration-ready design, this backpack is ideal for both city commutes and cross-country adventures.
Number 9. SIMO Solis 5G Wi-Fi Hotspot. As a rider, you want signals everywhere and never depend on weak coverage that ruins your journey. The SIMO Solis 5G makes sure you stay connected across 135+ countries. No SIM card, no contract, just fast 5G and 4G LTE wherever you go. Its smart signal scan feature finds the strongest network around, and you can even switch carriers manually when needed. Whether you're riding through cities or remote roads, this hotspot keeps your internet stable and smooth. With Wi-Fi 6 tech, it connects up to 16 devices at once, making it perfect for phones, tablets, and laptops. It's also water, dust, and drop resistant, built tough for real-world use. The 2.4-inch touchscreen shows your data, network, and settings easily, and the built-in power bank keeps your gadgets charged. Plus, you get 1 GB of global data every month for life, and a battery that lasts up to 24 hours. Number 8. Sena 10C Evo. As a rider, I want to carry as little as possible and still get the most out of my gear. That's where the Sena 10C EVO comes in. It's a smart gadget that combines a 4K action camera with a full-featured Bluetooth intercom, all packed into one compact unit that fits right on your helmet. You can record smooth 4K videos, take crisp photos, or even capture time-lapse shots, all while riding. It connects up to 4 riders within 1.6 kilometers and lets you mix music or talk audio into your videos. With 20 hours of talk time, Wi-Fi previews, and support for 128 GB cards, it's built for long rides and sharp memories without the clutter. Number 7. Wsdcam 113 decibels bike alarm. In riding, the rider's protection is a must. But what about the ride? That's where the Wsdcam 113 decibel bike alarm steps in. This small but powerful device blasts a loud 113 decibel siren if anyone tries to mess with your bike. You can adjust its sensitivity in 7 levels, so it reacts to a light tap or a strong push. Your choice. It's waterproof, remote-controlled from 66 feet away, and has a cool SOS feature that sounds an alert if your bike tips over. With a low battery warning and solid performance in rough weather, it keeps your ride safe no matter where you park it. Number 6. ExtractMe Motorcycle USB Charger. Never worry about your devices running out of power again. The ExtractMe Motorcycle USB Charger is built to keep your gadgets running smoothly while you're on the road. With both USB-A and USB-C ports, it offers fast, simultaneous charging, 30-watt power delivery for USB-C, and 18-watt Quick Charge 3.0 for USB-A, ensuring your phone, tablet, or GPS stay powered up. Crafted to withstand any weather, its waterproof and dustproof design guarantees durability. Plus, a built-in voltmeter keeps an eye on your bike's battery health, preventing any unexpected surprises. Installation is a breeze with its SAE Quick Connect system, and its compact, space-saving design fits perfectly on your ride. This charger combines convenience, reliability, and safety in one sleek package. Number 5. KiWAV Cruise Control. Say goodbye to hand cramps during long rides. The KiWAV Cruise Control Assist is the perfect solution to reduce rider fatigue on extended journeys. Made from durable ABS material, it fits standard 1 1/8 inch handlebars, making it universally compatible with most motorcycles. This lightweight gadget, weighing just 25 grams, allows riders to maintain a steady speed without constantly squeezing the throttle. Its short and wide design makes it easy to use, even when wearing heavy gloves, providing excellent wrist support. Comfort and control are at your fingertips. The rubberized contact points prevent slipping, ensuring a secure fit while riding. By effortlessly helping you maintain speed, this throttle holder reduces hand cramps and enhances comfort during long rides. It's a popular choice among over 10,000 riders, making it an essential accessory for those seeking a practical and affordable solution for cruising. Number 4. Cosmo Moto. Ever wished for an extra layer of safety while riding? Cosmo Moto is here to elevate your motorcycle experience. This smart helmet accessory attaches magnetically to almost any helmet, enhancing your visibility in any condition. As a brake, position, and warning light, it uses a 3-axis accelerometer and angular velocity sensor to automatically detect braking and activate a bright LED light, making you impossible to miss on the road. Stay connected and protected with advanced features. Cosmo Moto also includes a fall detection system that automatically alerts up to 3 emergency contacts via its connected mobile app if you're involved in an accident. With an 8-hour rechargeable battery, weather-resistant build, and quick micro USB charging, this device is ready for daily use. Durable, UV, and shock-resistant, Cosmo Moto offers reliability and peace of mind, no matter where your ride takes you. Number 3. JA301 Jump Starter. Running into a dead battery or flat tire can leave you stranded when you least expect it. The JA301 Jump Starter with air compressor is the ultimate solution to keep you prepared for emergencies on the road. This versatile 4-in-1 device combines a 2000 amp jump starter, 150 psi air compressor, 74 watt-hour power bank, and a 300 lumen LED flashlight, making it a must-have for any rider, driver, or adventurer. Whether you're jump-starting a vehicle with up to an 8-liter gasoline engine or inflating tires with precise pressure control, the JA301 does it all. With a long-lasting lithium polymer battery, fast USB-C charging, and built-in safety features, this compact gadget ensures you're never left in the lurch. Number 2. Scottoiler Chain Oiler. For a better ride, your bike's chain must be properly lubricated and well maintained, but it's so hectic to lubricate the chain again and again. The Scottoiler Chain. Oiler solves this problem by offering an automatic chain lubrication system that significantly reduces maintenance time and effort. Designed to extend the life of your chain and sprockets up to 7 times longer than manual lubrication, it ensures optimal oil delivery only when you ride. With motion-activated technology in the latest X System and E System models, the oiler adapts to various riding conditions with 15 adjustable flow rates. The system is easy to install, connects to your bike's battery, and offers a riding range of up to 1,800 miles between refills. Its self-calibrating design and handlebar display make chain care hassle-free for riders on the go. Number 1. FOBO Bike 2. The more your tire has air, the more you enjoy your ride, but constantly checking tire pressure can be a hassle. The FOBO Bike 2 makes this task effortless by providing real-time monitoring of your tire pressure and temperature. This smart tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, uses automotive-grade sensors and Bluetooth 5.0 to seamlessly connect with your smartphone or smartwatch. With the FOBO Bike 2, you can instantly detect slow or fast leaks and receive alerts through audio, haptic, or text notifications. The system allows you to set custom pressure thresholds and monitor multiple bikes simultaneously, all from the convenience of your mobile device. Built to last, its sensors are waterproof, dustproof, and operate for up to 1 year on a single battery, making it a reliable companion for every ride.